Welcome again to Cpss, guys. I've made another box for Brian English. He wanted a 36-volt system with an option of a 12-volt system outside, so I gave him that. He wanted white lids, lights, and a 1550 box, so I gave him just that. Now he'll have a system with totaling 3600 watts at 100 amps or 2700 watts at 75 amps if ran on 220 or 110. He's got his standard USB dual port, light switch, intake for the fan. We'll come back around on the other side and we have his power switch and an exhaust. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on and get it going. His fans, he chose the color of green and chose white lids, of course. We got a lot going on in this box, so I'll go ahead and turn on the lights as well. I'm going to go ahead and turn my lights out so you can see how bright it is. Does a pretty good job there with lighting up everything. So as you can see, no lights in the room. Pretty good lighting system. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn back on the lights so we can go inside and see what's going on. Alrighty, I'll step over here. We go on this side and we'll get to the meat and potatoes of this whole box. And as I turn it, we've got a compartment built in the box because he wanted to have a place to put his tools, and handy spot, put all his tools inside, and everything works out well. And then we also have up under here, we've got two 36-volt sections for charging his two Powerlab 8s. There you see the fans, the wiring, the switches, and he has an optional 12-volt power block which you can plug 5 different 12-volt chargers into to utilize whenever he needs to. Thanks guys for coming out and looking at Cpss, and thanks again for Brian English and his patronage.